NFTs could skyrocket your investment portfolio in 2022, and if you're not already invested in the metaverse in some way, you could be missing out on making literally millions of dollars. In this video, we're going to explore exactly why this is. So NFTs were arguably the hottest crypto trend of the past year, and by now pretty much everyone has heard about them. Some people still think that NFTs are just simple drawings of apes with no real value. Meanwhile, prestigious auction houses, famous celebrities, and multi-billion-dollar companies are actively trading NFTs worth millions of dollars. So who is right? Watching this video will allow you to understand NFTs better and to make up your own mind whether NFTs are worth investing in or not. So what are NFTs? The term NFTs is an abbreviation of non-fungible tokens. The word token means anything that is stored on the blockchain in a digital form, and the term non-fungible means something that is unique and has its own unique, distinct value. Although that might seem complicated at first, it's actually quite intuitive. All you have to realize is that non-fungible is basically just a fancy word for collectible. In other words, NFTs are simply digital blockchain-based versions of traditional collectibles. If you ever collected anything, whether it was Pokemon cards, sports memorabilia, or anything else, you might be able to see why NFTs are valuable. But what exactly is the relation between NFTs, blockchain, and crypto? See, NFTs utilize blockchain technology exactly like cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin or Ethereum. However, NFTs are not cryptocurrencies. Although they are stored on the blockchain, NFTs are used for completely different purposes than crypto. So cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum were designed to be used for the same purpose as traditional currencies like dollars or euros. In other words, they were originally intended to store value and make payments. Since NFTs were not designed to be digital cash, they are not cryptocurrencies. But if NFTs are not used like other blockchain assets, what exactly is their use case and where does their value come from? Long story short, NFTs are valuable because they are rare, and the more rare they are, the more valuable they become. But if this is just a typical supply and demand situation, why are so many experts considering NFTs to be this groundbreaking and revolutionary technology? It's simple. For the first time in history, NFTs enable digital goods to be truly rare and scarce. Before NFTs, anything on the internet could be easily copied, from text and images to audio files and videos. In other words, barely anything had actual financial value. NFTs changed this completely by empowering people with the ability to own a bulletproof, unforgeable certificate of ownership of something digital. In other words, if you own an NFT, you can be 100% sure that you own a rare, unique item. For example, one of the most popular NFT collections is the Bored Ape Yacht Club, and this collection consists of 10,000 NFTs. So if you own one of the apes, you become a member of an elite club, since no more than 10,000 people in the world can own a Bored Ape. Basically, the more rare and in-demand an NFT is, the more valuable it will be. And by valuable, we really mean massively expensive. Some NFTs are being sold for millions of dollars. Another thing to note is that NFTs technology is evolving constantly. So original NFT collections were usually just simple 2D images, but nowadays NFTs can be very complex and interactive, and they are being used as the backbone of immersive metaverse realities. And when NFTs evolve, they will also become more valuable. One of the first NFT products ever made was called CryptoPunks and was launched in 2017. So CryptoPunks were very simple 2D pixel art characters. Since nobody could have predicted that one day they would be valuable, at first the punks were distributed to people for free. Nowadays, they are worth a fortune. Recently, a CryptoPunk called COVID Alien was sold for $12 million, making it the most valuable CryptoPunk so far. Originally, CryptoPunks didn't enjoy that much success because another project, CryptoKitties, became much more popular. The thing that made CryptoKitties unique was that it wasn't just a collection of simple images, but it featured gaming elements. Each CryptoKitty has a list of unique features, and different kitties can be bred with each other to create new, even more valuable virtual pets. Nowadays, multi-million-dollar brands and respected artists also are launching their own NFTs, and one of the most famous examples is Beeple, a digital artist who created the most expensive NFT ever sold. Beeple's artwork, called Every Day's the First 5,000 Days, was auctioned for an incredible price of $69 million. It's impossible to talk about NFTs without mentioning the term metaverse. The word metaverse became very popular recently, partly due to Facebook's decision to rebrand to Meta. In simple words, the metaverse is an immersive, interactive virtual world, similar to the virtual reality in the movie very Ready Player One. On the technical level, the Metaverse combines many highly advanced technologies such as virtual reality, augmented reality, blockchain, crypto, and of course NFTs. But what exactly is the relationship between the NFTs and the Metaverse? So according to the experts, the Metaverse worlds of the future will heavily rely on NFTs. Almost everything that exists within virtual reality, from items and people's avatars to parts of the world itself, will be an NFT, which will allow objects in the Metaverse to be unique. Originally, NFTs started as a technological novelty, but the Metaverse is truly game-changing for NFT technology. But it's worth remembering that Facebook is not the only company focusing on the Metaverse. Tech giants such as IBM, Nvidia, and Sony are also working on their own virtual worlds. And since all of these versions of the Metaverse will almost certainly feature NFTs in some form, now might be the best time to invest in NFTs before they become truly mainstream. And if you're still a bit confused on exactly what an NFT is, I've made a video recently on everything you need to know about NFTs. You can click on the card on the screen to watch that. Alternatively, I made another video on 7 ways NFTs will be used in the real world. Again, you can click on the card on the screen. Whichever video you choose, I'll see you over there.